I'm back for the last installment of the LMP mold project, and here it is. This is the little monster. Let's focus. Alright, so this is the mold that I have now. We'll do a little bit more filing on it, but the surface is pretty good. It comes out really nicely. So as you might have seen if you watched the video I've just done before, I still have a couple of issues with the webbing, and so I've done two different things with it. One of them almost completely removes the webbing, which is that I've had like a third diffuser type wing at the back here, but I'm not really happy about the look. This removes all the webbing. It's pretty crisp, but I'm not 100% sure about the shape with this, knowing that of course you still have the back wing over there. Let me show you. You would have the wing on top over there and the wing mounts on the sides. So this additional piece kind of get rid of the webbing that I have at the bottom of the fin. Otherwise, this is how it comes out, and so you see there is a slight bit of webbing at the bottom of the wing, the fin I mean. I don't know what I'm doing with this, if I try the third thing or not, but that's where I am at the moment with this. Overall, I'm pretty happy about the way it came out. It's a really intricate mold, and it's got so many challenging parts on it. So this is obviously not 100% completed, but as far as the design goes, I think I'm pretty much done. And now it's just going to be a matter of figuring out the best positioning and best vacuum forming setup for it. In the meantime, as some of you may know, I have been designing an MK1 mold as well. Let's focus on that. But this one's done as well. I did both of them pretty much at the same time. This one came out really well. Let me show you. I've formed one yesterday. This is what the body looks like. No stickers at the moment. I still have the masking inside. I gotta remove it. Cut the back. It's 94 mm wheelbase, and now I need to work on the stickers, but you see the surface is really good. It's really smooth. I'm happy about the roof lines and everything. I got a couple of bumps to get rid of, especially on the flat surface. But other than that, this is another mold that came out really well. And this one, I don't remember if I showed it or not, for the Gander NASCAR truck racing as well. So those are the three latest that I had. And so the Golf, I think, is going to be available before the LMP, because the LMP I really have to figure out what I'm going to do with it. So I'll post some pictures of how the back looks like with the webbing or with the parts that I designed for it. And I'm thinking maybe a third solution would be to add a little bit of a curve to go from the bottom parts here onto the fin. That might be actually the best solution. I get rid of the webbing, creating the mirrors in the front. I had some webbing on the cockpit as well. This has not been an easy project, and I still have some work to do, but I think I have one painted that I can show you somewhere. Do I? Oh yeah, here. So many buddies, they're all hiding under each other. This is the wrong wheelbase. I've cut it for 102, so you can see it actually would fit on 102. Just the wheel wells will have to cut really a lot at the back. You see the way the webbing goes? Once it's painted, you don't really see it anymore. So I'm gonna paint this one. You know, there's no secret. You guys see all the quirks and little problems that this body have. You can let me know if you think this is acceptable or not, to have this little piece of webbing at the back. If not, then I'll have to work harder on this one. And then now I'm going to be doing the sticker work today. So we're gonna have stickers for this. I think there'll be a livery by the end of the day. I'll post something online. And yeah, I'm quite happy with this. So as I say, that's a 94 to 98 wheelbase. Obviously you can go all the way to 102 like I did. I just don't think it looks right if the back is too close to the back wheel in 102. But I had to test. I tested on my Mini Q6, which is 102 at the moment, because I'm running it with the Formula E. And so I wanted to see, because this is really flat, I wanted to see how the electronics will fit inside. And actually the cockpit, the bubble of the cockpit is really a good place to fit all the electronics. And I will do another one when I will fit my Atomic AMR two-wheel drive inside, but I don't have wheels for it yet. I'm gonna go out to the store in a couple of days to get more stuff for it. That's another car I'm gonna do some videos on in the near future, but this is going to be another interesting chassis to test the different bodies that I have. So I think that's about it for now. I hope you guys have learned something along the way with this little series about making the mold. Very low quality in the videos that I shoot, so I will try to improve that in the future, but I just want to share the process of what I'm doing. So hope you guys get some inspiration from it, and I'll keep you updated on these LMP projects as things move along. On that note, bye bye.